And that's all for today's video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.